Hey sunshine, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Destiny Dennis of Black Moms Fitness, and in this video I want to share with you my top 3 colon cleanse drink. What you can do when you are bloating and you just want to debloat, or your metabolism is low, you want to just fast track it, want to boost the metabolism, or you just want to do a normal colon cleanse. I'm going to show you three things that I do, and I've been doing it for a while, so I will show you how, why, and the benefit. And you need to stay to the end of this video because I have them all here ready. I have the green tea here, which I'm going to show you one of it, and then the coffee and lemon here, which I'm going to show you how to, the hibiscus tea here, which I'm going to show you all how to do it. And when you have all of this, you wouldn't need anything again, because these are my top 3 go-to. So before we get started, I want you to click on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on bell notification. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get to making our colon cleanse, debloat, detox tea.
First, we will start with lemon and coffee, weight loss drink. Take a cup, and then you will need half a lemon. It's actually 1 lemon. I slice it into 2, and then squeeze the juice. You can use whatever you want to use to squeeze out the juice inside it. Now, lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants, which promote good digestion and helps you with weight loss. It will also boost your metabolism to great extent, purify your blood, and also flush out unwanted toxins. Now we have the lemon juice. Let's move to coffee. Right here I'm using classic Mac coffee. You can use black coffee or any brand at all, so far it's not decaffeinated coffee. Unpopular opinion, if you're having a bad day, then drink some coffee. Now coffee is delicious, boosts the metabolism, and a great way to kickstart your day. Keep you focused and energized almost throughout the day. Research shows coffee can reduce stress and depression, boost your memory, and other benefits. So just take a tablespoon. I'm using a teaspoon. That is why I'm putting 2 heaps to make it 1 tablespoon. Note, you can reduce the quantity of this coffee if you always experience trouble sleeping, because the caffeine in this coffee will keep you active throughout the day and sometimes night. Our last but not the least ingredient is water. A hot boiling water. So just add 1 cup of hot water and stir it. Now coffee contains theobromine, theophylline, and chlorogenic acid, which are best known to boost weight loss. It will break down the fat cells and further accelerate weight loss process. I take this drink anytime I want to kickstart a weight loss process for myself. Having this tea on an empty stomach before heading to your workout will fast track your weight loss and also kickstart your day, help you cope with hunger pangs and also cravings. Next is hibiscus tea, also known as Zobo drink. I call this drink my metabolism booster. You can use any brand. I picked this one from ShopRite, or you can make your own directly using the Zobo leaf, also known as hibiscus leaf. This is 100% pure and natural. This drink can help relieve you of menstrual cramps and lower your blood sugar level, prevent hypertension. It will also give you a healthy liver. And please note, this drink is not suitable for pregnant women or TTC, that is those trying to conceive. So just take out 1 tea bag and put it in a cup, and then add 1 cup of hot water. When you add the water, the color will start changing. Let it be for just 4 minutes or less, and less than 4 minutes our hibiscus tea is ready. I usually take this tea as a good substitute for green tea because of its laxative properties, and it's very good for bloating and constipation. So same thing with green tea. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And you can also leave me a comment in the comment section. Lastly, let's make green tea. Almighty green tea. I've said so much about green tea on my page, Black Moms Fitness. Green tea contains healthy bioactive compound and it increases fat burning, contains antioxidants, and can also lower the risk of some cancer. Good for speeding up your metabolism and also for constipation and bloating. So use any brand of your choice and just take out 1 green tea and 1 sachet, but sometimes I go with 2. I explained that previously why I always go with 2 sometimes. Add 1 cup of hot water and just let it be for a few minutes till the color change. Green tea is the healthiest beverages on planet. Don't take my word for it, research it for yourself. Green tea can reduce constipation, reduce bloating, and also help you cope with menstrual cramps. A cup of green tea before your workout helps you burn calorie more. 3 minutes later, the color change and our green tea for colon cleanse is ready. Remember, nothing beats a good meal and an active lifestyle. Remember to stay healthy, have this tea in the morning, listen to your body, and enjoy all the awesome benefit. Love you now and always. Stay healthy and bye-bye.